Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you how to create an onomatopoeia GIF in Brush Ninja. So this one, when I push play, it just says pow, pow, pow. And you can always come back in and add more details, like some little lines coming out to the side. You can click on the brush tool and grab a dash line and make sure that it's yellow. I want to make sure that I'm not filling it and it's transparent, and just have some lines. Start on line 1. Oop, that's a little big. There we go. Pow, 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 pow. Go to the next one and add those lines again. Pow, 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 pow. My next one. Pow, 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 pow. So now when I click play, it goes pow. So cute, right? It's adorable. So here's how I created that. And I'm just going to click new, start with the square canvas, and go to the shapes tool. It's up here at the top. I want my background to be red, and I want to fill in the square shape with red. So I'm going to click on the paint bucket and click red again. So both of these are red. Now when I draw my shape, if you miss the edges, you can go to your selection tool. It looks like a mouse at the top. Click on your square and resize. And squares are just like rectangles. You can always fill them in all the way. I will go back to my shapes tool and click on star. I want it to be yellow, and I want the outline of it to also be yellow, but you could change it to orange if you want to, and add in a star. Now my star is off center, so I want to go back to my selection tool, move my star to the middle. You can even come back and add a second star. And if you click on it, there's a little second dot at the top to rotate your tool. So I can rotate it. So now I have these 2 stars on top of each other. And right now I only have 1 frame at the bottom. Now it's time to pick an onomatopoeia word. I'm going to write boom this time. So I want to click new, since I already wrote pow. Oops. And write boom with an exclamation point. That's super fun. Boom. Now, right now you can see that it's orange, but I can still change it to black. I think black is super fun. You can also change the font type at the top, like impact. Boom. And I just click it once, like a stamp. You can also click it as many times as you want on your page, but I'd rather just only have 1 boom. Just 1 boom. Here we go. Boom. Now I'm going to go into my selection tool, click on my little text box, and I want to turn it so that it's not perfectly right side up. Once you're in here, you can also resize it, make it smaller, or you can even make it longer or skinnier. Like for me, I want it to say boom, like that. Boom. And now I'm going to duplicate this frame to make a GIF. So I'm going to click duplicate. And now I want to move everything. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And I want to click on my star shape and make this a little bit bigger. Move it back to the center. And I'm going to click on this back star and make that even bigger. Move it back into the center. Duplicate it a 3rd time. And I'm going to make this really big this time. This is going to say boom. And I'm going to make these even bigger as well. And now I can't really grab those edges, so I'm just going to have to make it as powerful as I can this way. Let's see if I can grab that back one. Yep, got it. Make this bigger and drag it. Okay, now let's push play and see what we have. Boom, 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 boom. Super fun. I hope you enjoyed this quick onomatopoeia tutorial. I can't wait to see what you create. Get creative.